In this tutorial I will explain how you can change the tagline for your WordPress website, and I will also explain what the tagline exactly is and what its purpose is. And changing the tagline in WordPress is a very straightforward process that allows you to update the brief description or slogan that complements your site title, in which I have explained in the previous video. And the tagline is an important element for providing additional context about your website, and it can contribute to search engine optimization or SEO. And the first step is to log in into your WordPress dashboard. You can see I have been logged in over here. This is the website, and after you have logged in, you can go to the general settings. You can find that if you scroll down over in the menu on the left, you go to settings, click on it or hover over it, and then you can see these options, and then you need to select the general settings. Now you can see the site title, which I've just mentioned, and below that you can see the tagline, and now it's set to WordPress website tutorials for beginners. And below that you can also see this message: in a few words explain what this site is about. Example, just another WordPress website. So that's the default tagline. I have set it to this tagline, and if you want to change it, you can just click in the field, remove the text, enter a new text, and always make sure that the tagline and the site title are SEO friendly, so do some SEO research. And as mentioned, the tagline is a short and descriptive phrase that complements the site title, so it provides additional information about the purpose, the focus, or mission of your website. So while the site title is typically the name of your business or blog, the tagline, it allows you to convey more about what visitors can expect. After you have changed it, make sure to save all the settings. All the way down there you will see this blue button, Save Changes. You can click on it and then everything will be saved. So that's it. Now you have successfully changed the tagline for your WordPress website, and you know what the tagline is used for. Always remember to make sure that it's SEO friendly. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back again in the next video.